First we need an Arduino board and HC05 or HC06 Bluetooth module. Finally one LED. Connect LED with Arduino pin 13 and ground as shown in the video. Then let's connect the HC05 Bluetooth module VCC pin to Arduino 3.3 volt pin, ground pin to ground pin, TXT pin to Arduino pin 5 and RXT pin to Arduino pin 3. We are all done with the circuit connection. Now let's get the BT Remote Pro app. This app is suitable for both Arduino and ESP32 Bluetooth based projects. I already installed the app. Let's open it. BT Remote Pro app has a joystick, smart light, serial monitor and voice control features with example codes. We will use the serial monitor and voice control features for this video. Let's upload the code to Arduino. Now we are all done with the project. Let's enjoy the output. Light on. Light off. The project detail and BT Remote Pro app links are in the description and comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.